Hi. So I'm supposed to be telling you about the new special for Dog Haus for the month of April, and it's not going well. I got nothing. Culinary director, I'm supposed to have all these ideas. Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up, man? Who are you talking to?
No one? What do you mean?
Oh, how's the LTO going?
Listen, I know it's gonna be a burger of some kind. I'm not really sure where I wanna go with it, so I'm just kind of getting inspiration, and I'm like, letting the muse come to me.
Right, okay. Except it's April, and we launch April 20, 4/20.
Yeah.
Keep talking about that date.
I'm just trying to get the right idea, man,
You're overthinking it. You just said it, burger. People love burgers. Chili dogs, tater tots.
Right.
Just put them all together.
Right.
Call it a day.
Yes,
Dude, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, listen.
Okay.
You're the director of operations.
Understood.
I'm the culinary person.
Yes.
I'm the culinary genius, okay? So why don't you go operate something and you let my
Dude.
process work?
Listen, maybe you need some motivation. Maybe you need some inspiration. Take some time. Get inspired, dude. You got this. You got this. I'll be back.
Inspiration, 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 inspiration. Taquitos. It's gotta be bigger. It's gotta be over the top. It's gotta be big. Chimichanga burger. Sweet and savory. Sweet and savory. Surf and turf. Thinking about this completely the wrong way.
You're overthinking it. Burger. People love burgers. Chili dogs. Tater tots. Just put them all together. Call it a day. Dude. Yes. You took my suggestion. You made my creation.
Your suggestion. This is my masterpiece.
This is
What are you talking
amazing.
about?
Let's call it Stoney Baloney. Oh, baby.
And I've decided to call my invention the Stoney Baloney. And you can get your own Stoney Baloney by walking into any dog house between April 20th all through the month of May.
Who are you talking to?
Shut up.